given if f of x is equal to x upon sin x and g of x is equal to x upon tan x in the interval 0 to 1, belongs to 0 to 1, then we need to check whether the functions f of x and g of x are like increasing or decreasing. Since we know that f dash of x less than or equals to 0, it's a decreasing. F dash of x is greater than or equals to 0, increasing. So let's find f dash of x by using U-Baby rule. Sin square x, sin x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into d by dx of sin x is cos x, which is equal to sin x minus x cos x upon sin square x. So which equals to f dash of x is equal to, if I take cos common, cos x common, so I can write tan x minus x upon sin square x, and for 0 to 0 less than x less than or equals to 1, we know that x is less than tan x. We can see in the graph. This is x and tan x will be in 0 to 1. So this is how the graph will be in tan x between 0 to 1. We can observe that x is less than tan x. So which implies tan x is greater than x, or tan x minus x is greater than 0, means positive. So in f dash x, and also we know that in 0 to 1 cos x is positive. Cos x is positive from 0 to 1. So positive value cos x, tan x minus x is also positive value upon sin square is always positive. So it is always greater than or equals to 0 for all x belongs to 0 to 1. And hence we can say that f of x is an increasing function. And now let's check for g of x. G of x is equal to x upon tan x, x upon tan x. So differentiation of this, g dash of x is equal to denominator tan square x, tan x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So that is g dash of x is equal to tan x minus x secant square x divided by tan square x. And since we know that tan x minus x is greater than 0, since tan x minus x is greater than 0, that is tan x is greater than x, and also tan x is always less than secant x, secant square x, and so tan x is also less than x times of secant square x for x belongs to 0 to 1 in interval, and tan x minus x secant square x is always less than 0. So we can write tan x minus x secant square x is less than 0. So in g dash of x, the numerator part is negative and denominator part is always positive. So we can say g dash x is less than 0 for x belongs to 0 to 1, and hence we can say that g of x, g function is an decreasing function. Hence g of x is a decreasing function. So we can go with an option. So it's not like both are increasing, both are decreasing. So f of x is an increasing function is the right answer. Option 3.